In this video, we'll see how we can get the weather information using an API. So let's start. We are importing request and JSON, and write city name. API key we will get it from the website, and base URL we will also get it from that website. Okay, so the URL will be base URL plus app ID. App ID is the API key that we are going to use, and the Q is equals to query. So query will be your city name. The next thing is request dot get URL, so that we can get the response. So we'll get the response and we will convert it into the JSON form, and we'll say this output, let's make it small, x equals to response.json. So let's go to that website. Go open Google Chrome. Okay, let's type openweathermap.org. This is the website, and here you can sign up and log into your account. I have already logged in, so go to my profile. Okay, I have to log in again, so I'm just logging in. Here we will generate an API key. So in the API keys, go to that tab API keys, and here you can generate API key name. Write API key name and you will get your API key. Copy this API key and paste it here. So what will be the base URL? Base URL will be api.openweathermap.org. So copy this openweathermap.org, and here write https://api.openweathermap.org data 2.5 and weather and question mark. So this will be our URL, base URL. So let's run it. Okay, we are getting an invalid key, API key. So this is because of the QR query that we are running on the URL. So what is wrong? Okay, we have mixed this API key with the query. So and we will use and query and Q. So now it will work. Weather, in this we have main has. So what we can do, weather is a dictionary, so we will use X, then brackets, and weather, then it is a list of dictionary, so we will use 0 index and then the main. So but before that we are going to see what is the code. So if the code is 200, then it is successful. If it is 401, then it is an API, invalid API, and if it is 404, then it is not found an error, city not found error. So weather should be X, weather, as I already mentioned, 0 and main. So this is how I'm getting the weather, and then I'll see how I can get the temperature. It is in main, so I'll use X main temp. So temperature, X main, and it will be temperature. This temperature is in Kelvin. You can convert it into Fahrenheit and Celsius according to your project. So we can get max temperature and minimum temperature from these keys, temp min and temp max, or you can use all these data according to you, what you want to add in your project, and else write print city not found. So this is how you can write a program to get these information about the current weather. You just need to enter your city name and you'll get these data, and you can use this in your website or your application, web application, anywhere. So please, if you have not subscribed my channel, then please subscribe it for more videos.